SENA, SENAFLU, Efficient Energy Management Program 2A79909 file. Instructor Víctor Valdelamar. Evidence GA7 24-0-20-25-01 AA1 EV02. Video ABA. Student Juan José Ortiz Zapata. May 31 2025. By 2030, developing countries will have reached up to US $2 billion annually to make the energy transition a reality. Energy consumption accounts for more than 3/4 of greenhouse gas emissions. Financial energy efficient initiatives and the large-scale application of renewable energy, while evacuation of fossil fuels is necessary to accelerate the energy transition. Global renewable energy capacity increased by 6% last year and is set to increase by 8% this year. This study means that in less than 50 years we could reach 100%. Energy seven measures made from waste power plants could be used to construct, for example, buildings that serve as batteries. This type of street lights could be used to store energy that can let it be used at night. This geometric potassium composite concrete KGP is cheaper than ordinary cement and can store electricity. The transition to renewable energies in City Medellin is moving forward with initiatives such as the installation of solar panels on the Medellin Metro and the promotion of energy countries. This is one of these SENA, May 31, 2025. Bye.